Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UXIN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just Monday and then today, Tuesday's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. Does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made. But overall, another nice solid day. I get it. The price did pull back from its highs a bit, but still, from a general sense, that comment I made is looking at things from a very, very short-term, vantage point. But taking a step back, looking at multiple days, the price continues to chip away with those higher bases. And for those of you that have watched my past videos, you know that that's what I've been talking about. Hey, just focus on the bases, and as long as those bases keep getting higher and higher, things will take care of themselves. And on that note, what I'm going to do is just get rid of this line right here. Yes, that line still pertains to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint and in the spirit of just wanting to keep things as clean as possible and not cause confusion because there's lines all over the place, I want to try to keep this, like I said, just straightforward and clean. So from a support standpoint, and this is nothing new for those of you that have watched the past videos, but because it's just so straightforward in regards to, keep an eye on the overall health of the chart. But just watch that purple line, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a health perspective, easiest way to look at that is as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that would be, that's what that is representing. Again, yeah, the higher it can stay, if it could stay up above 550, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price is above the purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance, 590, which I talked about yesterday, this red line right here, it's being stubborn. Yeah, the price got above it earlier on in the day, but the price could not maintain above it. Therefore, it's still got to be considered an area of resistance. I would definitely agree if you said, yeah, it was weakened up today. Yeah, I fully agree. It looks like it was weakened up, given that the price was able to fight up above it. But because the price is still within the vicinity of it, me personally, I still would consider this a level of resistance until the price can prove itself. And I'm defining prove itself as not only getting more so up above it, but then being able to stay up above it. And in the event the price can prove itself and get that true break of that area, the next overall level is up here at 650, which is that red line up at that portion of the chart. But all in all, like I said, I started with this, I'll end with it. As long as the price keeps on building these higher bases, which is exactly what it's been doing, then overall everything else will continue to take care of itself. So focus on healthy consolidations and just sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.